Hello friends, welcome to another video. This is the unboxing video of Samsung Galaxy Buds Pro. They have been ordered from Amazon, and let's see what do we get in the package. The package comes in regular regular Amazon's package, that is plastic packaging, without any outer box or something which might have protected the electronic gadget inside. Bit of a cheap packaging from Amazon. When ordered such a premium product, we do expect that the packaging must be premium as well to protect the expensive electronic product inside. However, let's see is the product good in condition or not. So yes, we do get the bill. And now the product itself. So this product is a renewed product, as we can ascertain this from the packaging of the box, and also this tape which indicates that this product was initially opened by somebody else and now it has been repacked. So you don't expect much when you get a renewed product. You get this for almost literally half a price. You also get limited warranty on these products. 6 months of warranty is directly elapsed because of you buying a renewed product. Okay, standard packaging from Samsung, which should contain, I guess, some manual work. And yes, it has a quick start guide and a manual book to know about these buds, which you obviously doesn't ever use, and a small type A to type C cable to charge up this device. However, we also get this little box which I think must contain the ear tips. Okay, these are the ear tips. Quite stylish packaging from Samsung to put it in this way, and a bit long cable, type A to type C cable, which we don't usually get on another smartphones. And now the main product itself. Okay, the packaging is really small. I didn't expect this to be this much small, but it is a very tiny box, and these beautiful Samsung Galaxy Buds Pro inside. They do close with a bit of a thud, which gives it a premium class. However, these buds are not the best looking in the segment, and neither they have the best box, but they do contain one of the best ever sound quality as compared to other wireless earphones. Now we are trying to connect them with another Samsung Galaxy device, and Buds Pro has been identified here. So these are the original Buds Pro. Okay, these are much elongated, and as you can see, these little tips here, these are for active noise cancellation and for transparency mode. And here the software is being downloaded. And these are very tiny and very light, and these are made in such a shape that they should fit in your ear perfectly. So these are the right ones. And now we are all set, and as this shows that your left and the right earbuds are fully charged to 100%, whereas the case is bearing 86% of the juice right now. and as you can see, here is noise control, ambient sound, and active noise cancellation as well. So guys, this was the unboxing, a quick unboxing video of Samsung Galaxy Buds Pro. And one last thing which must be shown to you, which is this wireless charging. As you know that Samsung mobiles can reverse wirelessly charge these devices, and here we can see very well that this Galaxy Buds Pro have started to charge from this Samsung S20 FE 5G. So this was a quick unboxing video of Samsung Galaxy Buds Pro. Hope you liked it. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and also comment down below if you have any questions. We'll try to answer them as soon as possible. Thank you guys for tuning in.